Good morning. For this assignment, you will be applying the properties of congruent right triangles, congruent triangles, and special right triangles, special triangles. So remember our congruence properties for triangles is they have to be side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, or side, angle, angle, right? So you have to know those three pieces of information to prove triangles are congruent. So first we start with this proof, right? And you're just going to fill in the blank. We haven't done a proof in a while, so just fill in the blanks to prove. We're trying to prove that this angle up here, W, is congruent to the other angle, ZWU, for these two triangles, right? And we're going to use these congruent triangles, these overlapping congruent triangles. Just write in the blank to prove that. Down here, I'm going to do number 13 here. But for these down here, you're going to take the information given and say whether or not we can prove that they are congruent. Now remember, we have our, again, we have our four congruence things, SSS, side, 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 angle, side, side, angle, angle, and angle, side, angle. So it has to fit in one of these categories. Please list which theorem or a postulate you use to solve it. There's these down here. Then just some questions of finding the value of x using our special triangles, whether they're isosceles, equilateral, or right triangles. All right. So I'm going to work on number 13. So what I notice here is that these are two equilateral triangles. Okay. So all their angles are congruent since they are both equilateral triangles. All of their angles are congruent. That means if we can find any of the sides are congruent, these are congruent triangles. Why? Well, we already have all three sides, so it would be congruent by side angle, side, angle congruence, or side, angle, angle. These triangles are congruent. Okay. So we look and see, can we tell if any of these are congruent? And look, this side overlaps. So yeah, it's congruent to itself. EFG in this triangle is congruent with FG in this triangle based on the reflexive property. So we say we know that FG is congruent to itself based on the reflexive property. Therefore, the triangles are congruent based on angle, side, angle congruence. All right, that's all there is to this. So again, first determine what information you have, what you know about it, what additional information you can figure out, and then say, is that enough to say that the triangles are congruent? Is it one of these four congruence rules for triangles? All right, now keep in mind, some of them are congruent, some of them are not. So you have to determine that. All right, that's about it. Just try your best in your assignment. Please ask if you have any questions, and I will talk to you next time. All right, have a good day.